English with Shaik Babji. So in this session, we are going to learn a new structure, spoken English new structure. So this is 34th structure. The structure is I am dying to. The structure is I am dying to. After I am dying to, we have to use V1 plus something. After I am dying to, we have to use V1 plus something. Now let's see the usage of this structure. This structure is used to express, to convey a strong desire or eagerness to do something. This structure is used to convey a strong desire or eagerness to do something. So what is the structure? I am dying to structure. After I am dying to structure, we have to use V1. We have to use V1. So how we can use this structure? The usage of this structure is to express or to convey a strong desire or eagerness to do something. Now let's see some of the examples how we can use this structure in our own way. I am dying to eat some ice cream. So see here, what is the eagerness? Means what is the desire? The desire is to eat some ice cream. The desire is to eat some ice cream. So I am dying to eat what? Some ice cream. So that much interested you are to eat ice cream. Okay. Now I am dying to eat some ice cream. The next one. I am dying to go on vacation. I am dying to go on vacation. And I am dying to see my family members. I am dying to explore new things. I am dying to explore new things. I am dying to watch the new movie. I am dying to learn how to cook or how to cook mutton biryani. I am dying to meet my favorite teacher. I am dying to meet my favorite teacher. I am dying to finish my project in time. I am dying to start a new restaurant. I am dying to read that book series. I am dying to read that book series. See here, what are we learning here? We are learning the 34th structure. I am dying to structure. After I am dying to structure, we have to use V1. After V1, we have to use something. So let's see how we can use this structure. The usage of this structure is to convey a strong eagerness or a strong desire to do something. So what kind of eagerness it would be? Any kind, whatever you like, whatever you wish. So I am dying to what? Eat some biryani or eat ice cream or eat chicken biryani or mutton biryani like that. I am dying to go where? Your interested place. I am dying to go on vacation, or dying to go on vacation to Hyderabad or Mumbai like that. We can use. I am dying to see what? I am dying to see my family members. So eagerly waiting, or it's your desire to see after a long time. After a long time, you are going to meet or you are going to see your family members. That's why here this eagerness shows. Okay, next. I am dying to what? Explore new things. You are very interested. Means you are much interested or you are with much eagerness to explore new things. I am dying to what? Watch the new movie. I am dying to what? To learn how to cook or how to cook mutton biryani. Okay, next. I am dying to what? Meet my favorite teacher. Might be your favorite teacher, English teacher, or physics teacher, whoever maybe. Here we can use this structure to express. I am dying to what? Finish my project in time. I am dying to what? Start a new restaurant. I am dying to what? Read that book series. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting updates. And here, don't forget to like my YouTube channel, like this video, and share. Thank you. Thank you very much.